This is my adjustable electric kettle. Go over some of the components. Here we have a power strip with a built-in relay. The USB power is plugged into the always on. The electric kettle is plugged into the normally on. And we have the relay input coming from the Arduino. On the Arduino, we have the thermocouple that's connected to the amplifier, a 128 by 32 OLED screen, a potentiometer, a momentary push button, piezo, and a servo. Turning on the power strip, we get the splash screen, and we get set to the temperature. Turning the potentiometer, we get different settings. Lowest temp you can go is 120. And it goes all the way up to boiling. I've previously run this, so we'll set it to 140. And when we press the button, the servo initiates. It will press down the button once there's housing, but there's currently not for it. And then on our display, shows the current water temperature and our target. And when the water gets close to it, I have it set to shut off within 60 degrees because the water will continue to heat. And after 20 seconds, the display will reset, and it will allow for you to set a new temperature if you want, but resets it so it can be used again. And the servo would normally turn it off, but without any housing, the switch will stay on. And to confirm the water temperature, we'll use a food thermometer. And it did go over, it did heat more. The 60 degrees is trying to help maintain it so it doesn't go too high. But there is the electric adjustable electric kettle.